How's it going, guys? Stanley sent this to me. Their retractable utility knife. So let's open her up and check her out. Okay, here we go. It says easy blade change. Secure blade storage. Comes with 10 blades. The 10 blades, oops. Nope. 10 blades are in there, as you can see. It says easy blade change with that button right there. I assume you have to bring it all the way up. And let's get one of these blades out. See how easy it is to take a blade out. Not bad. And then press the button. And there we go. Blade's in there. So there we go. It's nice and unfoldable. I have one of their foldable ones right here. Yeah, so that's pretty nice. I like the blade storage in there, reminiscent of this one. The blade storage is in there. That one only holds about 3 or 4. That one holds, it says up to 10. So that's a lot better. The only thing bad about that is it's not foldable, but if you like the solid ones, this is a good contender. Especially with the rubber grip top and bottom. So that's my review of this guy. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.